Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I did knotless braids on my own hair for the first time ever. I'm going to show you the steps I took, the braids I used, all of that. Yeah, so let's jump into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I started off by doing is parting my hair. I part it from the front to the back because, as you all know, parting your hair at the back is an absolute nightmare. So I try to make sure my parting at the front looks neat so I can worry about the back later. Okay, so now what I did was divide my hair in 4 sections going from thin to thick. So remember, 4 sections, thin to thick. Make sure the first one is really thin because this is the transition from your real hair to the expression braid. So now what we want to start off by doing is braiding your actual hair. So what I do is obviously start with my 3 sections like you would a 3-strand braid. So I usually braid about 2 to 3 times and then I stop and start adding in my little sections. Okay, so once you finish braiding your real hair, you want to add the smallest strand of the expression braid into the braid. And you do this by taking the strand to the left side and putting it through the middle of the braid. I hope this makes sense. So obviously you have 3 strands of your natural hair. So let me show you here what I'm talking about. The strand goes from the outer side into the center, like I'm showing you right here. And then after it's entered the middle, you literally just continue braiding like you would braid a 3-part braid. And then this process literally repeats. I'm going to show you again. Add it to the left hand side. Add it to the left hand side like this. Put the braid through the middle and keep braiding. And that is how I achieve my knotless braids, you guys. So yeah, I know this looks so confusing, but the key to this is literally just practice. I had to practice a few times before I finally did my first knotless braid. I was so happy because once you realize how to do it, it's easy from then on. It is literally just adding it to the left, putting it through the middle and continuing that braid.